Nice man. I don't know more of it to me, sir.
My wicked chef boy place, yeah. Yeah man, and this we now after we done cook, we just bust it in a toe.
Kim from New York, yes. And videos, dying for a taste, dying for a taste.
Yes, my beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. And you know which channel? The People Them channel, your favorite channel, people, the family channel, Jamaica Lifestyle, Black TV. And people, today, early morning, we chip out this morning, me and Crespo, we say, yo, we are going to look at camping spot. Because we want to do some camping. But first, before we go up in the hills, look for some breakfast, my people. You understand? Look for some breakfast. When we reach up in the hills again, we are going to look for some more food. But people, we are focused on the breakfast. So here we go on, people. The other day, I go some bum so. Stop by my mother say, yo, she show me one style. Also fry breadfruit. So people, that's the style we are going to do today. And we have a fans, a subscriber will request back the brown stew egg. So that we are going to do for breakfast this morning, people. So here we people. Stay tuned. And watch video make young girl love you. Yeah man, my peeps. You see that? Brush man, high fruit, you know? Yeah man. See it go? Yeah man, people. First you know I go see that style, you understand? Whoever see it before me no know. As me tell you, and my mother show me that style, you see me? So, yeah man, big up my mother upon that video, you know? Yeah man. So, now I go see what I go on my peeps, you see me? Yeah man, I want to see it. It's a full breadfruit, my peeps, because my feel say it do better with a full breadfruit, you understand? Yeah man, so. You know the knife not so tall, so we have to try. Cut it out chunk by chunk, my peeps, you see it? Yeah man, the knife is so tall. So you have to cut it piece and you peel it. Yeah man, you peel it. So you see that? Yeah man, full breadfruit, you know? Yeah man, the knife is so tall, my people. So before. Yes, my people, so you see how we deal with it. Yeah, man. Yes, people, so you see that now? You wash them off, you know. Start fry them. People, you stay tuned, you know. As me tell you, that video is gonna be a classic, my people. The famous brown stew egg and the fried breadfruit. First, somehow, as I say, I'm not 100% sure, but I have to check out with my mother, but she showed me this. So people, stay tuned. First, somehow, I go see. Yes, my peeps, so add the oil in my pot in my peeps, you know? Yeah. Yes, my peeps, so put breadfruit to fry in my peeps, you see it? You see the thing about it, my kids. Them here no really suck up the eye like how you see the plant and do it, you know, my people. You see it? You're not going to learn a lot about the breadfruit to the people. You understand? Yeah man, peep. So when you see this now, we're going to a demonstration. When you see how planting fry down, peep. So you press planting. So we press breadfruit now, my peeps. Look here now. See that paper? Yeah man. So we just have to press breadfruit, make young girl love with paper. Yeah man. Yeah, my people, so yeah, the salt them, you know, to refry them, you know. No, say it's not planting, so we have to kind of rub on the salt so the salt stick, you know. I'm gonna add some salt, my peeps. You know. People, you see how them look, commenting and tell you how them looking up here. Yeah man. Remember, you know, people, breakfast style. Yeah man, we have to stop and look about some breakfast. Yeah man, this is one of our regular spot, but we are going up in the hill. So we just stop, look about some breakfast. Reach further up in the hill. And now we are looking for some lunch. It depends on the time where we reach, could have be dinner. Yeah man, and search out a spot. So we can even camp up there on one night and, you know, on one day. You understand, people? Yeah man. But you know, the most important meal of the day, people. Breakfast. Yeah man, people, so refry, we are going to refry them in a piece. You know? Yeah man. Planting style, my people. You see that? Yes, my peeps, and you see them? Golden done. Yeah man, you can't tell the difference if a planting or a breadfruit. Yeah man, beautiful people. Yeah man, people, so you don't know how the samplings go. I mean, I like to sample food, you know, cause you know I want me and Chris but start sample it there, you know. But we are going to contain ourselves to that. And I tell the people, look. Crispy and nice. Come on, people. Yeah man people, so we'll take out the last one now, you know? So when you see that, over there so complete now, you see it? Showing some seasoning in the pot now my people. Same oil we are using, you know?
Peeps are full of fun, you know. Full of fun, peeps.
Come on peeps, so yeah, show some seasoning now. Yeah.
Yo, come on, the guy.
Yeah man peeps, so don't know you know. Browning on it now my people.
Come on. It's all good. How we are doing?
No, man, like.
You see that now peeps?
Hey, come on.
Yeah man my people, so as you see me whip up there again on my peeps. You see it? You know the pot.
Because you can walk and run and touch this.
Scramble him up, you know peeps?
Yes.
Yeah, man, peeps. So, wanna see it now? Take body, man, if you give it 2 minutes, you know? Full of fun, you know, peeps. All our young general, them with a bossy bad style, you know? Make them sample potty, you know?
I can try this. I can try this.
What is it I do?
Try. Yeah, try this.
Alright, just watch the channel. When you go home, I want to see menu, yeah?
I like
and the
and
recipe.
I like and follow. You know the PM below.
Yeah man peeps, so don't know.
No man. What you say? What's your Jamaica lifestyle? Yeah.
Share out some to the young general then, you know? Yeah man. Man them bust this up here.
And then share it. When you son, you like it?
But yeah, good man.
When you know how to eat?
Ah.
Brown stew egg that you know how to eat, yeah?
How
And what else?
Breadfruit.
And what breadfruit? What happened to your breadfruit? Press the
Breadfruit,
breadfruit,
yes, man.
press and fry. Yeah, you never roast. Just press and fry.
No.
Now share it even, man.
Why next to the general them madam?
Big up on yourself, yeah?
I don't know more to cook for myself. So I'm doing all things. Good sweet, I think.
Okay, go on, man.
No, my friend. Get my name to your phone.
Yeah, but let's give man them food black.
Oh, yeah, fast. Big man.
Bomba and the patat. I will share where next to the when I get them. You film that, yeah?
Come on, yeah, stop. Yeah. Yo, come in, remember.
man. Steve, don't know, welcome back to the channel. People, when they see a little youth, them go on for the food, telling you that Einstein are cooking. And where Caesar say, spice and, remember that thought there, yeah people. So right now, we're going to eat some food and make young girl go and love food. And you don't know a little youth them, so you see how them go on for the food, me nah have to say nothing more. So you know what go on people, stay tuned here.
man, this pressure here, you. I'm blessing. Yeah, man. Yeah man, paper, I couldn't swim a Spanish bridge, but I'm sure I can swim here. You hear? Yeah man, water not so deep, but yes, my people, sir. Because a beautiful day, as I say, we pack up and we have a head for the hills here now. Find a spot where we can do a little camping, my people. So, just stay tuned for part 2 of the video. You understand? Remember, we now start the camping, you know. We just have a look at spot where we can camp. And then we go back and go camp.